This is Andrew from Curricumate. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Instant Report Card Comment Builder to quickly generate your report card comments that are aligned directly to curriculum expectations. For this example, all we're going to do is select our grade, so whatever grade you're teaching. I'm going to choose grade 7, and then we're going to choose our subject. If you were a secondary teacher, you would choose grades 9 through 12, and the course that you teach would also populate. But for this example, we're grade 7, going to be writing a math comment. And then you're going to think about what strands do you want to cover in your comment. So I'm going to start by selecting the number strand, my overall expectation, and then some of the expectations that my students worked on. So I'm going to pick 3. And then I'm going to add another strand. We also worked on algebra, and I'm going to pick one of the overall expectations, and we covered C 2.1 and C 2.2, and then I'll just do one more. So you can do as many as you want. You can do multiple overall expectations for the same strand if you want, but it's good to pick about 3 overall or 3 strands to cover. So these are the 3 that we're going to cover here. And then all you're going to do is select the achievement level. So now you might have a group of students who are at a B- level, and we're going to choose their pronouns. So you can write this for one student or multiple students, however you want to do it. Now we're going to think about what are some of the strengths, needs, and examples that the students showed. This will allow you to add your own ideas, to add your own sort of commentary that it's going to be a little more authentic. You don't have to do this, it's totally optional. But I know this student and I know some of their strengths are mental math and participation in daily math talks. They need to work on applying learned concepts to word problems and thinking questions. And then simply a nice way to add a little more personalization is what is an example of something that they worked on that you want to highlight in the comments. So maybe they worked on a meal plan budgeting project. And you can get, add more detail to that if you want. For this example, we're going to keep it nice and short. And then you're going to choose the length of the comment. So, just to show you what it looks like at long, we're going to go with long. And then we're going to hit submit. So really quickly, all it's done is taken all of the expectations you selected, some of those key details that you wanted to add to personalize it, and it's written the comment for a B- level student, written with the proper pronouns and adding in all that information. Think about how easy this was. That took no longer than a couple of minutes. It could take even less if you already know what you want to add. And you can have this comment that you can apply for multiple students if you want, or write for that one student. But you can literally write all of your report cards in a matter of minutes, rather than spending countless hours and weekends writing them. Something else that you can do, which is pretty cool, is you can modify it. So right in here, you can edit it. So you can add their own name in, you can add things, adjust as you need, or you can use AI to refine it. So you can make it shorter or longer. You can ask it to, add something else, change this, change that, or you can even use one of our suggested prompts here, like adding a next step, make it sound more personalized. Or if this sounds a little too high, or you want to apply this to a student with a lower achievement level, you can click on the adjust to reflect a lower achievement level, vice versa with the higher achievement level. So just to show you, I want to add a next step here. It's going to take the information from the comment, and it's going to give you a suggestion for a next step that you can use in the comment. And there you go, it's added our next step. So this is really, really simple, and you can do this for all of your subject comments. Any course that you teach, the expectations are there. You don't have to go and open up the curriculum documents, find them, copy and paste them in, think about how you're going to word them. Even if you are using something like a ChatGPT or a Gemini or some other tool, you're always having to copy and paste them in there. In Curricumate, they are literally here for you to select. This is made for Ontario teachers. Go try this out. Let me know what you think.